Hey guys, and welcome back to You Can Draw. I'm Tom Gant, and today we're learning how to draw an astronaut bird. Now the first thing we need to do is grab a piece of paper, turn it on the side, so we've got it in landscape. Then, very lightly, we're going to draw a circle for our bird's head. And then very lightly, we're going to draw a small half a banana shape for his body. So this is going to be the planning for our astronaut bird. Now for his beak, we're going to start with a large semicircle on top, but the bottom of this semicircle is going to be a smile, just like that. Then underneath that, we're going to draw a small semicircle to finish off his beak. Now for his eyes, he's going to be flying through space, so he's going to be focused. So we're going to draw some squinting eyes. So 2 straight lines, 1, 2, and then we'll draw his eyes in the middle of these, just like that. Then we'll color them in, leaving that white spot at the top. Remember, by doing this, he's going to look a little bit more lifelike and a little bit more interesting. Now on top of his head, we're going to give him some scruffy feathers, and his head's pretty much done. Now for his wing, we're going to start with a curved line going upwards, and then some upside down letter U's, or a cloud shape going down. Now for his wing on this side, we're going to draw a curved line coming outside of his head there, and then upside down letter U's, or a cloud shape going down. And he's got 2 wings. Now for his tail feathers, we'll draw some U-shaped tail feathers. You can draw as many or as few as you like. I'm going to stick with 3. And now what's missing from our bird? His legs, right? So let's draw his legs. Let's start with letter L's. 1, 2, and then we'll draw some stick feet on the end, just like that. And we've got our bird almost complete. We're up to that point where we're going to rub out these little bits we no longer need, like this bit up near his scruffy feathers, this bit on his wings, maybe some on his tail here. And then we're going to darken in the rest. So we're just rubbing out those bits we don't want to see, darkening in the bits we do. Bring him a nice dark outline. Rubbing out any planning we no longer need. So we've got our bird. Now to turn him into an astronaut bird, all we have to do, drawing in a space helmet, start at the bottom, draw a big circle around his head, and then we can add a bit of a shine to his space helmet by drawing a square, and then a long triangle with a bit of a curve in it, just like that. So he's got the space helmet. Now for the space suit, we're going to start with the letter C turned on the side, going around the base of his wing. Then we're going to draw in an oval around his leg, and then just a curved line at the end here. And he's got a space suit. So we've got our astronaut bird. Now to draw our space background, let's start with a wobbly potato shape. Add in the letter C's for craters, and we've got a nice easy asteroid. So we'll draw one there, we'll draw one more up here. And now for the stars. 2 easy steps for stars. Step 1, lots of little circles, filling up our sky. So we'll just draw lots and lots of little circles. Filling up our sky. Then we're going to pick 2 or 3, draw our 4 long straight lines, and then 4 short straight lines. and they're going to shine extra bright. And one more up here. And that's our astronaut bird flying through space. Now guys, don't forget to keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.